Good morning. It is 6 a.m. We've definitely woken up earlier for flights, but I only got 3 hours of sleep last night. But in any case, we're all set and we're ready to head to the airport because we are going to be flying off to Maui. Definitely more awake now. Oh my gosh, there's so many people at the airport. Yeah, I guess this is the nature of summer travel on the weekend. We are in our rental car. This airport is super different from LA. It's like half of it is outdoors. There's a lot of like welcoming Hawaiian florals. For lunch, I thought we would go to this place called Tin Roof Maui. It had a lot of reviews. The food and the photos look super delicious. How do I turn this on? How do I turn this car on? That was a quick fail. Apparently it's closed Sundays and Mondays, so we're going to a backup option. Seriously, so green and beautiful everywhere I look. We're almost at our lunch spot already. Oh my god, is this closed too? Thank goodness they are open. I thought they were closed for a second. Okay, let's order. I need a caffeine so badly. Interesting, I've never tried it with coconut milk. Orange chicken. It's so windy outside. Lunch was surprisingly very good. I told Dennis and he was like, you're not eating Hawaiian food, you're not eating poke, but I'm sure I'll come along those along the way. The food was actually really good. I had orange chicken with garlic noodles, which sounds neither Hawaiian nor Thai, but it was delicious. I'm happy with my first meal. What is this strawberry papaya? So distracted now that I'm actually in here. I forgot what I came to get. Oh, water. Yes, water. Let's get water first. Yes, I'm only here for 3 days, but I get really stressed out when I run low on water. Let's get cake for Jeannie. There's only 2 choices for the cake. Oh, they have so much more cake over here. I'm blind. And now for snacks. I don't know how to tell if this is ripe or not. Oh, all those are right. Oh, perfect. Okay, thank you so much. Apparently all of these are right. We'll go with this one. This is our strawberry papaya choice. Aloha, mahalo for removing your slippers. I dropped our stuff off, so I've already seen this Airbnb and it is beyond what I had expected from the pictures. So I'm so excited to stay here for the next 2 days. Once you come in, here is the view. We got an oceanside. So nice to just be able to open the door and then the ocean's right in front of you. Can I jump this second floor onto the grass? Possibility. Continue on the tour of the inside. Giant TV, a little adorable sitting space. And I love this. All their furniture are like outdoor furniture, so it feels like you're on vacation. They have such cute decor too. And in case you think that is not enough, you got lots of fish up here. So much fish to fry. Also, this is really cute. They have a little welcome package for you. There wasn't a price tag to this, so I'm not sure if this is complimentary or for purchase. Oh, okay. Wait, what does it say? A warm welcome to Maui. Enjoy a memorable stay. Compliments of Vacasa. This is so cute. What? I've never gotten like a full little cooler bag full of goodies while checking into an Airbnb. This is a new experience. Look at this. What do they have inside? The hospitality here is crazy. Mahalo, Mikasa. We got some Maui coffee and look at this hand-packed bag of creamer and sugar. There's just a lot of love that has gone into this bag. And these are like full-on size snacks. It's not a sample size. Honey nougat. I don't know how to say this in English. In Korean, it's nuga. Maui's best original shortbread cookies. I really should not have gone to Whole Foods. I feel like these snacks are so much better. Like, what? Oh, and this one is barbecue chips. Jeannie loves barbecue, so perfect. This is so sweet. And of course, a little macadamia nuts because we're in Hawaii. Little pamphlets educating you so that you respect the ocean and nature while you go explore. Very important. And then also just this cooler bag. Look at it. It's legit. It's like good quality. All the water I have in the fridge, I can carry it around and keep it cool and take these snacks with us when we go to water activities. Have you guys ever seen the Airbnb that does this? Vacasa? You guys are awesome. In the little kitchen area, we continue the Aloha spirit. They have everything you need for your stay, like laundry items, cups and bowls, and adorable and Aloha-fied glass ones if you prefer them, pots and pans. This is the bedroom. It's a queen-size bed, and I love how there's like rattan everywhere. It just feels so vacation-y. Rattan drawer, rattan desk. Where do you even get stuff like this? Rattan chair. Everything is rattan. There's your fluffy pillow. Starfishes on the bedding. Starfishes on the lamp. You're just basically in paradise. Yes. It's so nice after a 5.5-hour flight. Oh, it's a rocking chair. What? Oh, okay. This is nice. Oh my gosh, you can see the ocean from here. I'm in paradise. Oh, it's a candle. Hello. I can hear the ocean. Even when there's a candle inside, you can still hear the ocean. That wraps up the little tour of our Airbnb. I have to get ready now because the wedding couple have rented out a yacht for all of us to have a little evening sunset cruise. And so I'm gonna get ready for that. Also, Jeannie's birthday is on firework day every year, July 4th. So it's been a while, it's been over a month, but I thought we'll do a little bit of a belated celebration here in Hawaii. So I brought some balloons and I got cake. And so I gotta set that up as well. Aloha! This is actually a cute little dress that Mama and Papa Lee got us when they went on their trip to Hawaii, and it is so perfect to wear here. I feel like I'm on vacation now. I'm gonna try to put this together for Jeannie. Some happy birthday balloons. Let's go pump it up. Is this enough balloons? I feel like this only will have like happy and not the birthday. It's already deflating. Why? Hurry. Come on. We have to do it backwards. Okay, why first? No, we don't have time. We need to go. This is the jankiest birthday ever. I'm gonna just have to put happy on the counter or something because I am out of time and I need to head out. Why? We get the point. It's a birthday full of happiness. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Whoa. Aloha.
Okay guys, before we get underway, we have to talk about a couple things.
I'm trying the hard seltzers. The dragon fruit flavor is my favorite. We also have a pog flavor.
Beautiful. We are on a boat. Oh my god. Does it feel good? You're dead. Oh, thank you. Wow.
Thank you so much. Woo! Ski in the sunset.